Hi legal professionals, thank you so much for coming back to my channel. Here at Legally Techie, we show you how to use Google Workspace for your law firm or solo practice. Today I'm going to show you a new feature within Google Drive called Search Tips. This is a great feature because this allows you to quickly search within Google Drive certain criteria that you're looking for when looking for a document. So if you have your Google Drive open, I already have something that I'm looking for here called pleadings, and right here at the bottom you have the search tips here. Before, you would only be able to add criteria by clicking on the three lines at the end of the search bar. But now you can go ahead and select what you need, the different type of files that they are, who exactly may own it or who's it being shared with, when the last has been modified, and so forth. You can still use the three lines at the end of the search bar if you want to, but I wanted to bring to your attention to also make use of the search tips within Google Drive. So thank you so much for watching. Please share, like, subscribe, and if you have any questions, go ahead and put them in the comments below, and I'll do my best to answer them for you.